Hello, my name is Dr. Michael Wald, and I'm otherwise known as the Blood Detective. Welcome to this brief but I hope informative and practical discussion, which I've entitled The Quickest Way to Get in Shape and See Results. There was actually a trending article in the New Scientist talking about this, so I've expanded on that. So as I mentioned, my name is Dr. Michael Wald. I've been in the holistic health field for over 30 years. I'm a doctor of chiropractic with an MD degree. I have a diploma as a medical doctor, but I do not have a license to practice medicine. I am a board certified nutritionist with a master's degree in nutritionist and a sports nutritionist. I also practice acupuncture and I'm a life coach. So let's get into this topic. To begin with, this information is for your education. It's not meant to substitute for sound medical or health advice. And here, where there's this particular way of doing it, or you can sit on one of the benches down here, and then you put your elbow at your knee, and then that's another angle of the bicep. So again, it's easy enough to look up different types of exercises, but these are giving you the broad strokes here. As far as a core workout, that should be about 3 minutes in duration minimum, engaging in Russian twists, what are known as dish rocks, and leg lowers to enhance core stability and posture. And if you do all these exercises, you can get them all done in less than an hour, maybe even as little as 20 minutes or 25 minutes, and you will be in better shape for it. And that might also motivate you to do more. So in terms of leg workouts, we want to do those for about 15 minutes. We want to execute squats, for example, dumbbell lifts, calf raises, and hill sprints will give you leaner and stronger legs, and that's what you want. And if you can get in those sprints, you'll get reaction time better, so you can stay quick and agile even as you age. And then recovery stretches, that they should be done for about 10 minutes. They incorporate stretches like the world's greatest stretch, they call it, a cobra to child's pose, which is what this picture is somewhat illustrating. Usually in yoga, when they do a child pose, the head is touching the floor, the person's a little lower down. And then there's side-lying quad stretch to optimize recovery and prevent injuries. And again, just a reminder, you can look up the names of any of these movements, let's say on YouTube, to see how they are performed correctly. You need to obviously go to a reliable website for that. Or site on YouTube. And then what about basic nutrition? You know, you don't want to do a lot, but you want to do some things. Okay, so these are the areas you should think about. One is prioritizing your protein intake, because you need lean proteins like chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, legumes to help support muscle repair and growth. You want to balance your micronutrition. You want to have a lot of, macronutrition. So macronutrition are protein, carbohydrates, and fats. And micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. So obviously you want a balance of both. But as far as the macronutrition, protein, carbs, and fats, we want a healthy mix of fats like avocados. Those are monounsaturated fats. Nuts like walnuts, which have omega-3 fatty acids. Just have the nuts in their raw state. And then olive oil, which is an omega-3 fatty acid, and complex carbohydrates such as quinoa, sweet potatoes, and brown rice. And excuse me, olive oil is an omega-9 fatty acid. That was my error. Fish oils are omega-3, flaxseed oil is omega-3. And then hydration. You want to drink at least 8 to 10 cups of water per day. If you go to my website at drmichaelwald.com, there is a podcast there that you can just put the name in the search bar, How Much Water is Enough. And that will give you a lot more detail about how to figure out how much water you really should take in. This 8 to 10 cups recommendation is probably not accurate for most people. And then you want to limit your intake of processed and sugary foods, avoiding refined sugars, processed snacks, excessive sodium, all which can contribute to inflammation and sluggishness, certainly not conducive for exercising or health. And then you want to eat nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens and berries and cruciferous vegetables and fruits. They provide many antioxidants, lots of vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients. And then you want to time meals around your workout. So sometimes consuming carbohydrates and some proteins before the workout is helps energy during that workout. I like to drink a superfood drink that I have. I've added protein into it, and it's got loaded with vitamins and minerals, and therefore some carbohydrates in the form of the fruits. I even put avocados in it, and I like to sip it before my workout. I sip it during my workout, and then I finish it within a few hours after. If you're in really good shape, you can delay the post-exercise intake of carbohydrates and proteins to even 10 or 20 hours. But for people who are just starting out, you're not in great shape, you want to have a protein carbohydrate drink or meal within an hour of finishing your workout. That helps enhance your recovery and helps you get better prepared for future workouts or the next workouts. So that will about do it today for this particular topic. I hope you found it useful. Let me know your thoughts and whether or not you'd like me to expand on any of the concepts that I discussed herein. You can call me at 914-552-1442. Email me your ideas at info@blooddetective.com. And once again, the website is drmichaelwald.com for free content. Thanks again and have a wonderful rest of your day.